Hi, friends, it's Miss Lauren. I have a spring book here for you today, and it is called A Windy Day in Spring. Warm wind welcomes early spring. Warm wind makes the bluebird sing. Warm wind rushes through the trees. Warm wind stirs the bumblebees. Warm wind blows a butterfly. Warm wind lifts a kite up high. Warm wind turns a weather vane. Warm wind waves a pony's mane. Warm wind makes the wind chimes ring. Warm wind makes a hammock swing. Warm wind steals a farmer's hat. Warm wind pets a tabby cat. Warm wind spins a blue pinwheel. Warm wind makes a seagull squeal. Warm wind pushes waves around. Warm wind blows a castle down. Warm wind fills a bright red sail. Warm wind tickles a big blue whale. Warm wind lifts an eagle's wings. Warm wind does so many things. The end. I hope you enjoyed the book today. Until next time, friends. See ya.